could not restore your WhatsApp chat history on your iPhone? This issue can occur due to network problems, iCloud backup errors, or insufficient storage. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the issue of not being able to restore your WhatsApp chat history with my easy solutions. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now, follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check iCloud storage and enable iCloud Drive. First, open up the settings. After that, tap on the Apple ID profile. Next, tap iCloud. Tap Manage Storage. Make sure you have enough space in iCloud. Free up the space if you see your iCloud storage is full. After checking iCloud storage, now go back. Tap Drive here. Make sure to turn on Sync this iPhone option. After that, restart your iPhone and check whether your issue is solved or not. Solution 2. Sync WhatsApp. Open up the settings. Then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 4. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down, find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. Hope you restore your WhatsApp chat history issue on your iPhone is solved. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.